It's a muggy Saturday and I'm waiting for the thunderstorm to come. My radar said it should be hitting any time now, but it's not. And I am itching to get on the water. I got the yak ready, but I don't want to be on the water if it's going to lightning. I may chance it though. Going after bass today on Cave Run Lake. I'm launching at Warwick's boat ramp. One of my favorite places to musky fish when it gets cold, but yeah, never bass fished here, but I've got a good feeling. I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt though. I didn't bring anything to Texas rig, any soft plastics, so, or I didn't bring any soft plastics, so basically going to be using a Ned rig, crankbait, spinnerbait, stuff like that. Waiting on the rain. I've just got a 3/8 ounce War Eagle on. Try to pull a bass off this flooded shoreline here. Man, there's muskie rolling everywhere though. I know there's a fish over there. I'm gonna fish this TRD crawl off of it. Alright, wind. Chill out for a second. There we go. Normally I'd be fishing soft plastics around all this, but I don't have any soft plastics on me, so there's a little log. Actually, it's a big log. I can't freaking flip over there. There's a log right over there. I'm really having a hard time casting right now. There we go. Just came out of there. Oh my gosh. There's a big old bass just came up in here. Wow. I knew there'd be one over there. Be nice to see some white bass come up. There we go. Get up here. First one of the day. Took the TRD crawl. Not a bad one. Whenever you see rock piles like that laying in the water, those are good spots. Oh wow. He had that for a second. Ah, beautiful, beautiful bass. Oh, spotted bass. TRD is working pretty good. All I'm doing is looking for little cracks to throw this into. Felt that. Ah, little guy. Look at that. Another spot. There we go. There we go. Ooh. I don't know how it's still on. Nice fish here. Right in here, baby. It's a nice fish. I think I see white bass. Oh man, I see white bass. Ah, this is gonna be fun. School of white bass up here. Hopefully that stupid boat will stay out of them. Alright, there's a school of white bass right up here. Busting on top. This is why I brought this pole right here. Hopefully where I'm in a kayak I won't scare them. But they're about 100 feet right in front of me. This is gonna be fun. Alright. They're right on top. I hope you all can see that. Right up here. They're everywhere in here. There we go. I don't know if you all can see this, but they're everywhere right now. There we go. Nice. I've been waiting on these guys. They're right here in front of me. I'm out in the middle though, right in front of the boats. Just gonna kind of wait for them to start busting again. Oh, it's like dynamite. Oh. Come on, come on, come on, hit it. Hit it. There they are. Oh, this is awesome. Hit it. Oh, he hit it. They're swirling right behind it. There's, oh man. They're right here. Oh, we hit it as soon as it hit the water. Oh, I gotta chase them down. They're over here now. Man, they are everywhere up in here. Oh, there's another one. It's just, they're hitting it every freaking second. They're hitting it. Come on, hit that. I don't know where to go. They're right here. Okay, there we go. There we go, hooked up. Golly. They're everywhere around me right now, jeez. It's crazy, it's crazy. I gotta change batteries because my GoPro's battery died. But look right behind me, oh my gosh. Let me check my battery real quick. Just gonna sit around here and wait for them to come back up. Oh, they're back behind me, daggone it. There they are. Just like that, they were gone. So I still wasn't getting enough action out of the other one. So I put that head on there. And I think this is gonna be the secret. Not perfect, but it'll do. Alright, I'm gonna go do some bass fishing. There you go. White bass are out there. Looks like they're back out there. There they are. So I'm gonna get run over. Troll it in there. They're right here. I just ran over a school of them. Oh! Had one hit. There we go. I got one. I got a fish. I got a fish while trolling a swim bait. Nice. They're hitting right behind me. Nice. That gave me an idea. Nice. I think I'm gonna bass fish for the rest of the day. Those white bass are wearing me out trying to follow them, so just gonna fish for regular bass. I'm out of breath. There's like a culvert or a concrete wall or something right here, and I'm trying to I don't know what's going on right now. Trying to fish. There we go. Just want to drop it off that wall. There we go. Ooh, ooh. Best one of the day right there. That's been the bait that's been producing for me all day. The TRD crawl. That's all I'm doing right now. Ugh, if I can talk. Is casting in front of the flooded rock shelf there. As it creates a little overhang. I think I got a fish. I do have a fish. Spotted bass there. Pretty. And catching these fish that are trying to ambush prey here. I need to get off this bank. Time to head back. So I didn't really get a chance to do an outro video just because it was a rush trip home. Had dinner and a movie with Sierra. We watched Murder Mystery with Adam Sandler and Jennifer Aniston. It's a very good movie. But anyways, getting back to the days of worth fishing. The white bass were just incredible. Although I didn't catch that many, I did call my buddy Adam to get some tips on how to catch the bass I wasn't really seeing. And he suggested a large deep diving crankbait because the bigger bass in the schools, tend to hang out under them. So I couldn't really position myself out there where they kept running at, though, just because it was in the middle of the boat traffic and I did not want to get ran over by a bass boat. But anyways, decent day of bass fishing, but it was kind of cool being out on a kayak when the white bass were running. So hope y'all enjoyed watching me. I really just want to keep taking this kayak out and getting better at bass fishing in general and bass fishing cave run. Thanks for tuning in, y'all.